Our search for authentic Goan food continues.
And this brings us to Mapsa.
Mapsa is a bustling city in North Goa. It's well known for its market on Fridays, the beautiful mix of Goan and Portuguese architecture. And if you're looking for places to have some delicious Goan food in North Goa, you just can't stay away from Mapsa for a very long time.
A very good morning to you guys. Welcome or welcome back to our channel. I'm Gavin.
And I'm Adrian.
No, I've not come here for a football match. I'm actually at Dhulair Football Stadium. And if you look in the background there's a match going on, practice match going on. And we have come here to this place called Krishnai. So yeah, that's where we've come, Cafe Krishnai, and it is already so crowded, and Adrian and myself have got this little place here. So as soon as we get here, this place was already crowded. Adrian showed the crowd, and we had to wait for like 5 minutes to get a table. So yes, I'll show you the menu, but Adrian was hungry, so she's already ordered something. So let me just taste this and then show you the menu. Adrian, this is the prawns what?
Rasoi.
Rasoi, chicken rasoi.
Yeah.
This one is the egg chop, and this is
Chicken pan roll.
chicken pan roll, and this is fish
Fish cutlet.
fish cutlet. Okay. So let me try this one here. What's this again?
Chicken pan roll.
Chicken pan roll, yeah. There's cabbage in there, and filling is good. No wonder people were taking this back to back, and that's why even we got it. Good start. It has a nice coating outside. And generous amount of chicken inside, so the filling is good. Now let's go for the egg. Let me break it open for you. Oh yeah. This is very nice. Green masala, boiled egg, and the chop fried very well, deep fried. Nice. Okay. Let me try the chicken rasoi, right? This again is good. Very, very different flavor. Let me show you the filling inside. Got onions, got little bit of chicken. The chicken pieces in this one is a bit less, but taste is good nevertheless. And this one is the fish cutlet. I'm not sure what fish this is, but it has a very strong fish flavor. It's nice, but I didn't like this one so much. And now let's try the prawns. This is good. This is very nice. And as you can see here, a decent amount of prawns in there as well. That is very nice. If you're a Goan and if you eat prawns, dry chili fry at home, that's the kind of stuffing that's there inside. The service is so fast here. We already have the chicken sukka and the chicken shakuti, and I still haven't shown you the menu. Okay, let me show you. So these guys, they have this menu for shakes and juice. So yeah, that is the menu. Maybe we will try one of this after we are done. So they have lots of different kinds of fruit shakes, and here is the main menu. So there's chicken burger and lot of rolls and roast omelette, shakuti, sukka. Just pause the video and check, guys, because we have to be quick here. There are people waiting, and as I said, the service is very quick, so they've even got the poi. So we are going to start eating all this now. Gentleman here, he's very, very fast with his service. Look at the speed at which they get everything, and look at the number of people already waiting outside. Let's start off with the poi. So yeah, the poi is a bit cold. I wish they could have warmed it up for us, but never mind. Let me try this with the chicken shakuti. So yeah, as you can see here, there are a lot of chicken pieces here, and our table is literally loaded with a lot of food, and he keeps coming here, but that's okay. I like the portion, you know, they are very generous with their portion. Excellent shakuti gravy. And the reason why I called it excellent is because Adrian, come here, get a bit closer. Just look at the masalas in the gravy. So you can see all the lovely shakuti masala, and they have dressed this with coriander, which is really nice. And guys, you have to do this. You have to put onion and you have to squeeze lime on it. And let me taste this separately, because that is when it is going to be tasting amazing. Yes. So yeah, those of you who like onion and lime in their food, okay, there? Dosa? Dosa no. Okay, so as we keep reviewing, they just keep bringing the food, because I think they are also excited since we have a channel. But guys, the shakuti here is very good, like very nice cut. Now, let me move over to the second one. I keep forgetting I need to take only one bite, because Adrian keeps staring at me from there. Okay. And mind you, this is with bones, so you have to be a bit careful. Do not talk while you eat like I am, but I don't have a choice. I have to do it for the vlog. Right. So this is chicken sukka, and sukka obviously will not have too much gravy, but I just love the size of the chicken in all their portions, guys. Just look at this. It is so chunky, like there is so much chicken in all the gravies. I'm stuffing myself. I know, I'm so sorry. But the food is so good, guys. No wonder people are queuing up. They are so behind. Just look at the number of people that keep coming. Okay, back to the gravy. So yeah, the sukka, it's like a dry dish. Again, guys, as I said, the food here is very good. It's just that the only complaint I have, they should have made this a bit hot, you know, they should have warmed it up. But wow, this is spicy. It has all the flavors, you know. I can taste the coconut in there, the different kinds of flavors. A bit spicy, you will feel that later. But very nice. And the guy serving here, he told me that the shakuti and the sukka and the raw omelette, these are the hot selling items here. Okay, let me move over now. I'm being a bit quick here because we don't want to keep a lot of people waiting. I see they have come for takeaways, so I think we are okay. But yeah, now let's go for the raw omelette. Wow. Again, guys, we found such a good place for authentic Goan food. I'm so happy. We've been finding such places back to back and in different locations. So I think this is maybe the 6th or the 7th place that we have found. And again, the food here is too good, like too good. You can see the crowd behind me. Wow. The raw omelette here is perfect as well. Just look at the omelette. I'm going to use my hand, sorry, but I want to show you the omelette here. So decent size, fluffy omelette. And if I have to have the omelette by itself, juicy, very nicely fried omelette. And yes, the shakuti gravy here is perfect. We already tried that here. This is the same gravy that is used here, for those of you who don't know. So yeah, excellent. Again, this is all dressed with coriander, which is giving it that very nice garnishing. So yes, now let us move over to the other dish. So this is the chana masala which Adrian has taken with the paratha. I've eaten a lot of this in the UAE. Those who have been to the Kerala restaurants in the UAE, I'm sure you guys must have eaten a lot of this as well. This reminded me of that. But yeah, let's try this chana masala. Chana masala is like sweet and spicy, and the chickpeas in there are soft. Overall, it's good. I'm so sorry, I keep forgetting to add the onion and the lime because I really love all this stuff with onion and lime. But yeah, quite good. But for me, everything that stands out here is this one, the sukka, the shakuti, and the raw omelette. It really like stands out for me. It's very nice over here. But anyway, if you're looking for something vegetarian, you will like that as well. For us who are non-vegetarians, it's very difficult for us to overlook the non-veg items. Yeah, so that's the reason why. This is my personal opinion. I liked it. If you're a vegetarian, obviously you cannot have this. You can try this. Maybe you might have a different opinion. Alright, so let's move over. I have to keep sliding everything around. And okay, we've had everything here, and these guys have given us modak. So this is something that is a sweet that is had very often in various festivals in India, many Hindu festivals, and it's a sweet. And let's try this. Adrian, I'm sure, is going to love this because Adrian is a huge fan of modak. And the reason why I know that is because back in Mumbai, our neighbors, our lovely neighbors, they used to keep giving us modak every time. So yeah, very nice, very juicy, very soft outside. But yes, it's a very nice sweet. I'm going to save this for later. But yeah, I just wanted to show you everything what we have around us. The camera is in my hand now, and I just wanted to highlight that I went to the wash basin to wash my hands, and even the wash basin is very clean. So yeah, even the cleanliness of the place is maintained. The seats are very comfortable, and we have a tea here. So let me try the tea. Tea is something different. It's very nice. I don't know what is that different flavor that I'm getting. Right? It is milky, but it is a bit different. I need to check with them. The tea is tasting different because I'm so sorry, I'm showing it to you like you can see it. But yeah, there's jaggery in there, and that's the reason why it is giving it that little bit of different taste. As soon as I took the sip, the first sip, I understood something was different. But yeah, now that I know what is there in it, I think there's a little bit of ginger as well, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, now that I know what is there in it, I am not afraid to have it because I was a bit worried. Thought maybe the milk is spoiled or something. But anyway, the tea is good. And one more thing, what I wanted to tell you about the raw omelette. No doubt, the raw omelette was very good. But I felt that the shakuti gravy was a bit watery. It is tasty, no doubt, because I had the chicken shakuti and the raw omelette. But the gravy in the raw omelette was a bit watery but tasty nevertheless. And that's the proof for you. So we have finished almost everything. And yes, I hope you guys are enjoying watching the videos. Recently we crossed 3,000 subscribers. And just a few days back, maybe 2 or 3 days back, we crossed 3,100 subscribers. So that was so quick. The 100 subscribers that we got was so damn quick. It really, really means the world to us. And on behalf of Adrian and myself, we want to thank you so much for for the love and support, for believing in us so much. I know many of you guys visit the restaurants that we recommend, and we will never let you down. We will keep recommending good restaurants to you. So until the next one, take care, stay safe, and